Hello, really welcome back to my channel. So today is shop update day and I thought I'd just hop on quickly to do a little video to go along with my shop update, which is something that I like to do so that I can show you the products that I have made. I have in the shop update actually like kind of in person, and you're able to see them a little bit better, as well as obviously to tell you guys I have a shop update and it is now live. So it's going live at 6 p.m. on the 30th of September, which is right now as this video is going live and you are seeing this. I've also got new nails. I did these yesterday. I'm very happy with them. They're just a whole load of purple glitter with these cute little ghosts on because I needed something cute for my shop updates. Yeah, really happy with these. So the first product that I want to show you are two new things that I've created just for this shop update only. I've only got 3 of each, but they're actually just like gift boxes and they feature some of my new products. So I have this one here, which is the Carb Box, and I have one which is the Ghost Box, which I'll show you in a second. Each box is £20 and you get all the things inside at a really discounted price, and I'm really happy with how they've come together. So in the Carb Box you get a handmade polymer clay pin, which is a little slice of toast. It's so cute, super glittery, covered in resin, and it comes with a rubber back only instead of like the gold one as well, because I find the rubber ones to be more reliable and comfortable, so I've just put a rubber back on these ones. It also comes with a little baguette keychain as well, which again is handmade by me in polymer clay with all of the resin and glitter on. I've also put one of these flat keychains on because I really like these as well, and I have these available in gold, but for the carby ones I've put silver on because I don't know, I just think it looks kind of cute. I also have a little charm in this box. All of these items are also available to purchase separately as well if you want them, but obviously if you get them together they are going to be at a discounted price in this box. There's the little charm. It's so adorable. I love this so much. Again, this has a silver kind of bit at the top to match with the keychain. I also have the I Love Carbs vinyl sticker. This isn't one that's handmade, this is one that I bought from a manufacturer, and it's a vinyl one, a gloss vinyl, and it's waterproof, weatherproof, all of that. As well as that, I also have this sticker, which is going to be exclusive to this box. It is a really large matte vinyl sticker. The quality of this is amazing, but I think it's just a bit too big for what I wanted it to be for originally, so I've just put a small amount of these in the small amount of boxes, and yeah, just going to use them in the box only, so they're going to be exclusive. If you buy this box, you can't get them on my shop anywhere else. But here's the size difference. Just ended up being a bit too big for my usual sale, and this is a matte vinyl. And then the last thing in this box is a washi tape. So that's right, my washi tapes are here. I'm so excited for them. I have 2 designs, one of them which is in the Ghost Box and this one here, which is the I Love Carbs one. Basically on the washi it actually has my little toast guys and my little baguettes all along them with some dots and little stars that I've drawn on, and then every 30 centimeters it says I love carbs in my handwriting, which I just love. I'll put a picture on screen right now of what they look like the tape looks like on paper, but this is what it looks like all in its packaging. It's shrink wrapped with just a sticker on one side like so. Just, I can't get over it. It's actually a 10-meter roll opposed to like a 5-meter or a 3-meter, which I'm really happy with. I like a 10-meter roll when I buy washi tape because I don't like it to run out fast, so I opted for the 10-meter one when making mine, and I opted for it to be 15mm because I think that's kind of like a standard washi tape size. Yeah, that's the first washi tape and the first box. So again, I'm only going to have 3 of these available. They're ready to ship, ready to go. I've packaged them all up already, and they just look like this. Perfect to give as a gift for someone, or if you just want multiple pieces and you want to save yourself a bit of money, these are great. They come with all this shredded tissue paper in, which I just love. This is the Ghost Box. Again, this one here is £20 and there's only 3 available as well. So the first thing is first. In the middle here, this is going to be, well, the exclusive for this box. I wanted to put in something exclusive in every box, so this is actually a handmade gloss sticker. It's printed on premium photo sticker paper, so it's really nice quality. I handmade this myself. I'm not going to make it anywhere else, and it's a nice size like so. Perfect to put, you know, on a laptop or the front of a notebook or something. Indoor use only on this one, but I just love it. I also have a handmade sticker pack in there with 5 little ghosts. These are also going to be available to buy separately on my shop. I think these are £2.50 for 5 little stickers, which I think is great. And I've used my washi tape on there, which I'm going to show you in a second. So this is the washi tape in the box, my other washi tape, which I have designed, and this is new for this shop update. It is just a ghost trick or treat washi tape, and again it's a 10m by 15mm wide, has my little ghosts and the little lollipops and stuff on, and then every 30cm it actually says trick or treat in my handwriting. Again, it's not there all the time, but like I said, every 30cm it's there. Look at that, just love it, cannot believe it. The quality of these is so nice. So again, I'll put a picture on screen of what they look like on paper. Also inside this box you get a handmade polymer clay pin again, which has the little rubber clasp on the back. There's that one with all the glitter, and then to match the ghost box we also have the keychain. So this one here is on the gold. Like I said on the last one, I made it in a silver just to make it a little bit different for that box. But yeah, really happy with this. And then in this box you also get a pack of 3 ghost art prints. So we've got the Boo, we've got the wizard ghost kind of as a print by itself, and then we've got the candy ghost there. So you get the set of 3 in there as well. And all of this I think adds up to like £26–27 if you buy it all separately, or you can get it all and with an exclusive sticker in it for £20, which is a steal. So yeah, that's that. Look at that, all fits in there perfectly, again in the blue box with a little shredded tissue paper. I still do have my Halloween prints available, so I have this one here as a separate one. This is £2 for the Halloween print, or you can get a set of 3 like this one, which is a trick or treat, which comes with that one, and some lollies there for £4.50 for the set of 3. They're all packaged up like so then I can like ship them out really quickly to you. So moving on to my little box, which is what I usually show my shop updates in, I have some candy corn keychains and some ghost keychains like I've just shown you. I also have a restock of a few of the pumpkins, not very many. I think I've only done 3, and I've done 3 candy corn to match as well because those ones were the most popular. I've also added in a couple of little ghost charms, which you would have seen last shop update. Look at that, it's so adorable. I've also got a few lollipops and a few little extra baguettes in there as well. So new charms, these ones here are brand new. I made up some bats because lots of people loved my bat pins, which I do have a couple more of. My bat pins were really popular last time, so I decided to make them in charm form but make them a little bit more interesting. I added a little candy corn in the hands of this bat and a little pumpkin in the hands of this one. They do have wire literally running from like one wing over to the other wing to hopefully help reinforce them, but they are covered in like 4 layers of resin as well, so hopefully they should be good to go. I just have the one each of those, not very many. A new product again is this keychain. So this is an acrylic keychain, which is also covered in epoxy resin with glitter in. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see this because sometimes my camera really washes things out, but this is like real nice and glittery and really nice and shiny and smooth as well. Then on the back it is just the same, so it's double printed, but there is a Chelsea DIY across there as well. It's just a lovely little size. I wanted this to be quite small because I have a couple of keychains like this from Samika Grashi, and I really like this size, so I went with this size, just a nice little small size, because I don't know about you, but I had so many keychains and stuff already on my keyrings, so I thought a nice little size is just perfect. Look gorgeous on a little bag or something. And yeah, there is the keychain with this little party hat on. I just adore that. And then with those acrylic charms, I also got a couple of carb pins made. So we got I love carbs in the acrylic keychain, not keychain, in the acrylic pin. This has a silver pin back on the back. Hold on, there, like so. It's really textured, which I kind of like. But yeah, there he is. He just says I love carbs across him, and he matches the little sticker, which I just love. I also randomly just have a little toast pin in here. It gives you a close-up look of what that looks like with it not being on the card, but again, just the rubber pin back. Get that off like so. As with all of my polymer clay pins, I super glue on the pin and then UV resin it as well, so hopefully it won't be going anywhere. But I love them. I think they're so cute. I think that covers everything in that box. As I showed you in the little ghost little box, I made these sticker packs. Basically, I've made up these little bags as well for them to go in. They're made out of like really thick tracing paper, and then I've stitched them, and then I've just stuck it down with my washi, and I'll just show you the little stickers inside, because you do get 5 of them. So we've got the little wizard ghost. Look at that, it's so cute, so glossy, so adorable. Again, these are for indoor use because they are handmade, but it was the best way I could bring some like little sticker packs at a low cost. This one here just has a little lollipop. I redrew all of these just for the sticker packs, so they are slightly different with different faces on compared to like ones we've seen before, and they do have a purple outline on instead of like the pink outline as they have been on all the rest of my things. And they're just holding this little candy. This one here, it just says adopt a ghost. I love that one. And then this one here just has a little pumpkin, little candy bucket with all of the sweets inside. If my camera would focus on him, there we go. Look at that, he's so cute, I just adore it. So yeah, those are the 5 sticker designs from that pack. Pin wise, I've done a little restock of all of them. There are very limited amounts on all of them. Honestly, I just have 1 of the lollipop. I think I've got 2, maybe 3 bats. I've got 3 pumpkins. No, I've got 2 pumpkins, 3 ghosts, and 1 candy corn. That's all I've got. So I've got under 10 amount of pins left. If you want to grab them, you can. I'm not going to be restocking now until Christmas update, so I'm not going to have another shop update until at least November. So I mean, yeah, that's what you've got, I'm afraid, and I'm really sorry if you miss out. I know a few people missed out last time, but I've restocked as many as I could get done before today, and yeah, I'm sorry, that's all I could get done, but I'm really happy with them. I absolutely love them. I think they're adorable, and yeah, I've done my absolute best on that. So I think that's pretty much everything in my new shop update. I'm pretty sure. I absolutely love everything. Hopefully it's going to go down well. I don't know. I'm still a little bit nervous. I get nervous every single shop update. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed even watching this video. Will, you know, come by, drop by, have a little look, have a little like, maybe purchase a few things if you want to. Don't feel obliged, of course, but I mean, how can you resist these cute little faces? I do not know. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. I will be back very soon for another one, probably another studio vlog, which is my next like video to post, or I may post a few little DIYs on a few like spooky things throughout the month, like a few plushes, a few like charms and stuff, and then maybe I'll add them to my shop if I end up making them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with a big shop update come November time. That's it now. Can't believe it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye.